Welcome to Tech to Prosperity, the show where we explore cutting-edge tools to help you earn money and build your future. Today we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, exploring the top 5 AI tools that can transform your skills into a profitable business. Let's get started. First up, we have ChatGPT by OpenAI. Imagine having a 24/7 assistant that can handle customer service, write engaging content, and even help you manage your daily tasks. With ChatGPT, you can offer AI-powered chatbots to businesses, provide freelance writing services, or create innovative applications. The possibilities are endless. Next, let's talk about Jasper AI. This tool is a game changer for writers and marketers. Jasper AI helps you generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Whether it's blog posts, social media updates, or SEO content, you can monetize your writing skills and serve clients worldwide. If you're artistically inclined, DALL-E by OpenAI is your go-to tool. It creates stunning images from simple text descriptions. You can offer custom artwork services, develop unique marketing materials, or even sell bespoke visual content. DALL-E brings your imagination to life. Language barriers? Not anymore. DeepL Translator is here to help. Known for its accuracy, DeepL can translate documents, websites, and apps with ease. Expand your services by providing translation and localization to businesses aiming for global reach. Last but not least, we have Copied AI. This tool is perfect for creating compelling marketing copy, product descriptions, and social media content. Turn your knack for words into a profitable venture by offering freelance copywriting and content creation services. There you have it, 5 incredible AI tools to help you earn money and elevate your career. Whether you're a writer, artist, translator, or marketer, these tools offer endless opportunities. Start exploring them today and turn your skills into a thriving business. Outro music. Thanks for watching Tech to Prosperity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the latest tools and technologies to boost your earnings. See you next time.